This is basic concepts, stainless steel tongue scraper. So why we need a tongue scraper? You know, a lot of bacteria on our tongue, and somebody have bad mouth smell, and somebody just feel like they can't taste something because the thing on the tongue is too thick. So let's open the package to see how it works. And this is 2-pack. And the good thing is that it comes with a small box, and this is good for travel. The width is narrower than the adult's tongue, so you need to scrape several times to clean all your tongue. And the good thing is that it won't scrape your teeth. And also you can use it for teenagers. Before using it, you need to give a really good wash. And while using it, just like this. And you know, I can notice that here the structure is a little bit different. It actually curls up for this bottom, this surface for the scraping. It actually curls up, so it won't actually really scraping your tongue. It actually very gentle, very soft, and it gives extra thickness. So when I put this on my skin, I feel like it's very gentle. So it won't, you don't feel any like scraping feeling. It's very gentle, very soft, and actually it's pretty flat. You see, it's super flat. Alright, hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.